Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another day of our JUNK Journal January Challenge. So let's grab our junk journal and a good cup of coffee or your beverage of choice, and let's dive into this creative session. Today's prompt is font, so let's see which page we will use for today. And I decided to just use one that has two different kind of written fonts on both sides, and just start by adding a bunch of different washi tape with different font and letters to the spread and make a bit of a collage style spread with different layers of font and written out things. Here I add dreams or dreaming, and just mix and match a bit of collage and washi tape and some writing and stencils and everything that kind of has some written font in it. And then I add some stickers and just go with the flow and all the layers. And I don't quite know how I feel about the page that turned out in the end. I might think now that I look back that it is a bit crowded, but in the process of creating it, I really liked the busyness of the spread, so maybe it's just fine and I will be happy with it when I look back. But we will see how this whole thing develops. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and I would love to hear your creative ideas in the comments down below. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy creating!